How to make grills part 8. How to trim and polish. First, I use a cut-off disc. Cut off the cast grills. Next, I use a Cluezel spray to fit the grills onto the cast. This spray highlights where the grill is hitting the teeth. So I trim these parts off using a metal trimming burr. I repeat this process until there is a perfect fit. Once I'm happy with the fit, I begin polishing the grills. This is a step-by-step process. I start off using the most abrasive burr over the whole grill, filing down the grill to make an even surface. Once I'm happy, I use the sandblaster to smooth off the inside. After this, I shape a silicone wheel, which I use to further smooth out the grill. Next, I check the thickness of the grill using a thickness caliper. This is to ensure that I do not get any holes in the grill. An ideal thickness is 0.7 millimeters. Next, I use a thinner silicone burr to get in the hard to reach places. I then use a Robertson's burr. I start off using a red abrasive polish before using a blue smoother polish. I really work this polish in to get that mirror finish. Finally, I use a rubber wheel to define in between the teeth. I then put the grills back on the cast. This is where I'll make any final adjustments. We then move on to cleaning the grills. I use a high pressure dental steam cleaner. You want to make sure there's no residue left on the grills. I use plastic forceps to make sure that I do not burn my fingers. Here are the finished grills on the cast, and the next part will be showing you how to fit them onto a client. I cannot wait to show you the final result. See part 9 for the end of the series.